So it's raining outside. Let's tune with nature. Let's tune in with the song of nature, with the song of clouds. You may be listening, you may be hearing with all the natural sounds. See why I am saying this. There is a very deep meaning, a deep reason behind my every talk with you, all the Indian people, the global people, international people also. The person who is closest to the nature, he will never become sick or ill. He will never suffer from any of the pandemic. He will never get infected with any of the pandemic. So it's very much important for us to keep ourselves closer, nearer to the nature. Nature has its own ability to heal the body, whether it is chronic diseases, disorders, or any other ailments we are suffering from the long interval of time, from long duration. Just not only the healing of these diseases, but it also keep ourselves safe from any of the further infections, any of the further diseases, any of the further disorders. And just not only these disorders, it can maintain a very excellent, very good quality standard of our health. See, the last many years are the proof, the ancient time in India are the proof that the village area people, now they are, that is another thing, that is another matter, that with modernization, village people are also now getting infected with many of the diseases and disorders. But let's move 10 years back, 20 years back, 50 years back, say 100 years back. In those times, those who were living very closer to the nature, they were not supposed to become ill, sick, or any sufferer of any diseases. Even they were not aware of any infections, any diseases that doesn't exist. So this is the strength of keeping yourself closer, more closer, very closest to the nature. Let's think about it. It's time to think. The pandemic time has led us towards thinking of many things. Our activities, our duties, our work, our job, our professions, our religion, our followings, our eat and sleep habits, our health, the most important. So we all have to be closer to the nature. If you will be closer to the nature, then it's sure that none of the pandemic in future, whether they will come or not, you will be safe. It's for sure. It's my guarantee to you. It's just not only my guarantee, but a scriptural and Indian ancient scriptures guarantee also. Okay? So let's we all take one more resolution. Take one more please to keep ourselves closer to nature. So in order to keep ourselves closer to nature, we'll have to protect nature also. We'll have to go for plantation more and more. We'll have to go for afforestation more and more, stopping deforestation. Okay? So let's take a resolution to be closer to the nature and just not only the keeping ourselves closer to the nature, but also to plant, to go for a more and more afforestation, to go for a more and more protecting our nature, plants, trees, the herbs, everything. So this will reform and transform your, the whole conscience, consciousness, body system, health style. Okay, let's think, let's take place, let's take resolution, and let's move further forward with this resolution, which are going to transfer our health, our life, and thereby leading towards a complete well-being of ourselves and to oneself. With this, many good wishes to you. Thank you so much. Practice consistently.